Thinking of moving from an itel phone to a new iPhone? Don't want to lose your songs and audio files? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to transfer music from itel to iPhone. Some with a computer, some without. Let's get started. Way 1. Transfer music from itel to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring music from itel to iPhone is quick with phone transfer. This tool lets you move not only songs, but also photos, contacts, and videos between Android and iOS seamlessly. Step 1. After installing the program, connect both your itel phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Launch the software, and it should automatically detect both devices. Step 2. Ensure that your itel phone is selected as the source device on the main screen. If it's not, simply choose it from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Music, then select Export to Device, and choose your iPhone as the destination. Wait for the transfer to complete, and make sure both phones stay connected until it's finished. Way 2. Transfer songs from itel to iPhone using Windows File Explorer. Connect your itel to PC via USB. Open File Explorer and copy music to a folder. Then connect iPhone and use iTunes or iCloud Drive to sync the songs. Way 3. Copy music from itel to iPhone via Google Drive. On your itel, open Google Drive. Tap plus Upload Browse and select Music Files. On your iPhone, log into the same account, find the files, and download them. Way 4. Move music from itel to iPhone via Finder on Mac. Plug your itel into Mac, open Finder, and copy songs from the music folder to your Mac. Connect iPhone, open the Music app, drag songs in, then in Finder select your iPhone. Music tab, sync music, apply. Way 5. Transfer music from itel to iPhone with email. On your itel, open Gmail, compose a new email, attach the songs, and send to your iPhone's email. On iPhone, open Gmail and download the attachments.